Hi guys. So in this lecture we will discuss about the Bodmas. So what is Bodmas? So it is an acronym. B stands for bracket, that is a parenthesis. O stands for off, that is multiplication. D stands for division, that is represented by the slash symbol. M stands for multiplication, represented by asterisk symbol. A stands for addition, represented by the plus symbol. And S stands for subtraction, that is represented by minus symbol. So remember this term Bodmas. So it comes in hierarchy in the descending order. First the bracket, whatever calculation you do inside the parenthesis, inside the bracket, that will be calculated plus at first, then the off, then the division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So these are the priorities which you have to remember while doing the mathematical calculation. So just go back to the ID and let's practice some stuff. Now suppose in the same case, write one main now. Suppose one variable is there, num of num, and you are doing some calculation on the same. Okay. Now suppose take the value as 5, then where one more variable integer, take it 10, one more variable 3, again of type int, take it 15, okay, and take one more variable result, again of type int. Okay, so now do some calculation over there, like num1 plus num2 plus into asterisk for multiplication, and then minus 5. So now guys, because it's showing red because I have mentioned it num. Now it is correct now. So print the result of the same. So my intention is to let you know that what are the priorities and what are the order in which the calculation is done. If suppose there is a complex calculation in a single line, so how that will be done. Okay, so see the result, and before that just write down on your paper, on your machine, and calculate it what it should do. So num1 is 5 plus num2 is 10, 5 plus 10 15 into num3 is again 15, so 15 into 15 225 minus 5, so it should result in 220. So this print statement should print 220, or we are wrong. Let's check. I think we are wrong. It will not print 220. Again we have to run the current code. It's still printing the last file. Now see, it printed out 150. So that means we are wrong. Our logic is wrong. Why? We have already discussed the Bodmas principle. So first, the according to Bodmas, what the first thing will be calculated? The first thing is bracket is not there, then the o is not there, then division is not there, then multiplication. So first the multiplication will be done between two variables. So number 2 is 10, num 3 is 15. So 10 into 15, that is 150. 150. Then the addition. So 150 plus num 1 plus 150, that is 155. And then at last subtraction. So 155 minus 5, that is 150. So that's why 150 is being printed over there. So you can understand that how it has been calculated. First num 2 into num 3, then num 1 plus result of num 2 plus num 3, then subtracts 5 from the result. So this is how the calculation is done. And now suppose we give some bracket, some parentheses over there. So as per the rule what we had discussed, the bracket comes first, the parenthesis. Okay, so we have added the parenthesis. So whatever written inside the parenthesis has to be calculated first. So now what is num 1 plus num 2? So that means 5 plus 10. 5 plus 10, that is 15. So 15. Okay, then 15 into num 3 minus 5. So as per the Bodmas rule, which comes first, multiplication or subtraction? You can see the multiplication, the asterisk symbol, this comes first. So it has to be calculated first. So 15 into, what is num 3? Num 3 is again 15. So 15 into 15, 225. So now 225 minus 5. So it will result into 220. Let's check what it does. If it's right, then our concept is right. The mathematical concept is right. See, it's 220. So that means the Bodmas rule is being applied over here. So always remember this Bodmas rule and you will get the desired output. So as of now, this is done. Try by yourself, try different things, try different calculation, include some division signs, asterisk sign, modulus operator, whatever you think, whatever you like. Okay. So thanks guys. As of now, this is done. Bye.